Introduction to Optometry. Introduction to the course. Optometry plays a vital role in protecting vision, supporting eye health, and improving everyday quality of life. It is often the first point of contact for people experiencing changes in their sight, eye discomfort, or wider health concerns that may appear through the eyes. This course introduces optometry as a healthcare profession built on careful observation, accurate assessment, clear communication, and professional judgment. You will explore how optometrists contribute to early detection, preventive care, patient support, and safe referral when further treatment is needed. By understanding the foundations of optometry, learners can appreciate how eye care connects clinical knowledge with real human needs. Learning outcomes. After completing this course, you should be able to explain optometry's role in protecting vision and supporting eye health, identify key optometry settings and their patient care responsibilities safely, describe how patient-centered communication builds trust during consultations and care, recognize professional boundaries, consent requirements, confidentiality, and referral responsibilities clearly. Apply ethical judgment when supporting diverse patients in optometry practice.